Hello guys and welcome back to another unboxing video here on the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the YOSH Magsafe iPhone car charger. So excited to get inside this box. I bought this because I'm getting the iPhone 17 Pro this week as of when this is being recorded. So I thought, you know what, I need a car charger. I need a new car charger for the Magsafe version. I do have an iPhone 11 Pro right now, and that doesn't have MagSafe. So I thought, you know what, let's get a brand new charger for my car. So we got YOSH Your Life on the top. I don't know what YOSH Your Life actually means. Quite a simple box, it seems like. Almost looks like an Apple box with sort of white look to it, which is quite nice. And then we reveal the charger itself. Now, unfortunately, I don't have an iPhone 17 Pro yet to actually test this out on, or indeed an actual MagSafe product. But the full review is going to be coming very shortly, so look out for that. And that's going to give you a full insight into what this product is actually like. So we got the YOSH charger itself right here, opening this up, seeing what is inside, and boom. It's got a nice little bit of weight to it actually, so that's pretty good. It's got a 7.5 watt output, which is good. 10 watt, 15 watt as well are the options. So looks like it's going to need a little bit of assembly, but feels pretty solid. It's got YOSH written on the front, which is quite interesting. As then we have a little look at the rest of the box. What else have we got in here? So we have got the USB-A to USB-C cable, which is great. Seems like a decent length as well. In my car, I've got it sort of spanned across the entire thing. Actually, not that long, actually. Probably needs to be a little bit longer, in my opinion. But we'll see if that's going to fit in my car. It should do. I'll give you guys a test and a showcase what it looks like in the course of this whole review. So yeah, we've got a USB-C. Looks like about a 1 meter, maybe 1.5. No, 1 meter. Yeah, 1 meter. This desk is about 120, so it's about 1 meter long. That cable could do with it being a little bit longer potentially. What else do we have in here? So this is actually the hook itself that it actually attaches onto, so you can unscrew it like that, and then this attaches into the car vent, which is I think the best way to attach this. There is another method as well, which we'll show you guys in a sec. So it has 15 watts of power, which is fast charging of course as well. It advertises 0 to 100% in about 2 hours and 5 minutes, which is pretty good for a car charger. So this extends out all the way right there. It's actually got 2 mounting points as well. This is one of like the advertised sort of features of this product, is that it has 2 mounting points and 2 connection points if you like. So it's sort of like grabbing on in 2 different ways, which should mean it's really solid in the car vent. Again, we're not in a car right now, so we can't test it exactly, but this is the one I'm going to be using, and it should just attach onto there like that. Let's have a look. Does it attach on? Do we have to unscrew this? I think we have to unscrew this a little bit. So we unscrew this a tad, put it in, screw it up. And is that now attached? Let's have a look. No. That's funny. Maybe we need to unscrew it entirely. Yeah, okay, it goes in there. Okay, good. As I drop it everywhere. But no, that feels really good. Feels really good quality. Just wanted to see what it looked like on the floor as well. Quite an important test. So we'll get into the sort of assembly in a sec once we open up everything else. Getting a bit too eager here. So this is the other method that you can mount it. So if your car maybe doesn't have vents, which I would be surprised if it doesn't, or you don't like mounting it via the vents, you can of course use this option as well. So it has 3M sticky sort of pads that then attach to the sort of dashboard itself. So this can sort of act as like a little mounting point right there. This seems pretty well made, like seems pretty good quality and everything. I just don't think this would be the best mounting method for the device. I think using it via the vents would probably be better, or a vent, but this is a method that you can have if you want, and also you're gonna have to obviously stick it to your dashboard. So yeah, not the ideal method in my opinion, and certainly not the strongest I would say, but it's a method nevertheless. You can do it. Now what else do you get here? You get, what is this? What the heck is this actually? This is a magnetic ring alignment card for Samsung phones. So it's not just for iPhones, because what you might notice here is there is indeed a magnetic ring with a 3M sticky back on it. So if you don't have a MagSafe phone like I do here, I have an iPhone 11 Pro, which does do wireless charging, but it doesn't have MagSafe. You can actually attach this to the phone itself, and then this will attach to the, yes, oh wow, it's very sticky. Yeah, that's gonna be stuck on there. Okay, wow, that is, the magnetic force is quite strong. So it doesn't look like it's gonna be going anywhere. When you got your phone on there and stuff, it doesn't look like it's gonna be going anywhere, so that's great. And I actually do already have a car charger, but it's not MagSafe obviously, because I don't need it. and it actually is quite difficult to get it at the right alignment to know when it's going to be charging, when it isn't going to be charging. Sometimes it sort of falls out and stuff like that. So this should kind of alleviate any problems right there with that. Now as we open up the rest of this, we have a little microfiber cloth. It seems like every single tech product these days comes with a microfiber cloth. I think I have more microfiber cloth than I do devices to clean them with. Do not plug into the car's USB-C/A port, so you do need a sort of adapter with this. It doesn't come with an adapter, which is quite an important point as well. You're going to need to buy one or use the one that you already have. Thankfully, I do already have one. So let's assemble it, see how it looks when you are actually getting it fully assembled. So I think this actually has to just snap into there. Let's see. So that snaps into there, beautiful. Then it screws in, and then that, I guess, is the tightening. Yeah, okay. So when you tighten it, it stays put. And then you can, of course, move it around just like that. So that's how it's going to look on the car. And then it does have a USB-C port at the bottom, of course, for charging. So, or not for charging, for power. So this goes under there. And then, of course, that's how it looks on the car itself. So it's sort of going to be attached like that, which is exactly the same as my current car charger. So I'm thinking of just using the same cable that I already used for that one with this one. So that's going to be great. And then, of course, you have the magnetic MagSafe, which no matter what angle you put it at, I was going to say it always attaches in the middle, but it usually attaches in the middle. So that's great. So I'm excited to get this tested out with my 17 Pro when I do get it. This has been recorded a few days before I actually pick it up. So when I do get the 17 Pro, when I can install this in the car, I will give you guys an update. It actually looks really clean as well. Just a really, simple product. Like my current one is like a big sort of clamp thing. It's like, it's a whole thing. This is not a whole thing. This is a very small thing that's going to be going in the car. So quite impressed with how this looks. And we'll give you guys the full review when I can, when I have a product to actually test with it. But I wanted to give you guys the unboxing to see what we actually got inside the box and show you what we got in the box. So if you are enjoying the unboxing videos, you want me to review, unbox any other products, let me know down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this product as well. And check out the description if you do want to pick one of these up for yourself. That is, of course, an affiliate link as well. So we appreciate all support through our affiliate links in the description. Do wait for that full review as well. I'll give you guys a full insight, a full breakdown as to whether you should be buying one of these for yourself and whether or not it's worth your money. I believe it's around £18. I don't think I mentioned that actually, but I believe it's around £18. So, is it going to be worth your money? Check out that full review either linked in the card or coming very soon. Of course, make sure to leave a like rating if you did enjoy this unboxing, and of course, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Check out this video on the screen as well if you haven't seen it already. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.